Hi guys, welcome to High Yield Intraday Trading. So as mentioned in my previous video, today I'm going to show you guys where to pick the stocks from for intraday trading. Alright, so this is one of the most important things that we need to know before we actually enter a trade, because we just cannot enter a trade randomly. Right? In intraday trading, we need to be very specific about the stocks, because if we make a wrong decision, we don't have much time to rectify our mistakes, because we cannot just sit and wait for the market to turn the direction in our favor. Right? So the way that I'm gonna show you would suit for both longs and shorts. That is, if you want to make a long position, that would work fine, and if you want to make a short position, that would also suit this. All right, so one more thing that I would like to mention is, while doing intraday, we need to have an eye on the direction of Nifty, right? Because you're gonna select your stocks based on that. Alright, now I do agree that you will see many stocks that take their own direction, but 80% of the time the stocks follows the Nifty's direction with some small ups and downs here and there. Alright, so one thumb rule would be follow the trend. Alright, now to start with, let me take you to the place where we need to do this. Alright, so I'm very sure most of the guys would be aware about this site, nsaindia.com. So you will get all the information here. Alright, so just log on to nsaindia.com and go to top Nifty gainers and losers. Go to view all. Alright, so this is the page. Alright, this is the mantra that I follow. Alright, now let's say, for example, if the Nifty is going in an up direction, alright, you guys have to follow three tabs that you see here. Alright, the first tab would be Nifty 50, the second tab would be Nifty Next 50, and the last tab would be FNO Securities. Alright, I repeat once again, if the Nifty is going in a high direction, you have to go to gainers and you have to follow Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, and FNO Securities. Alright, now let's say, for example, I go to Nifty 50. I see Bell as the top gainer here. Alright, it has now, since I'm recording this video in a weekend, so this is the data which was for 27th, that is for last Friday. Alright, so BHEL is the top gainer in Nifty 50. Alright, so the thing which I follow is anything that I see here which has a higher percentage change. Let's say 5% or 4% or 3% or even 2%. I take those stocks. Alright, and I select these stocks from the three tabs which I told you. Alright, so it might be Nifty 50, it might be Nifty Next 50. If you see Nifty Next 50, Ashok Lay is the one who is the top gainer. If you see FNO Securities, Adani Enterprises was the top gainer. Alright, so this is the one which we can follow if we want to go long. Now, if Nifty is going down, alright, you have to just switch the tab, go to the losers. Follow the same tabs, Nifty 50, Nifty Next 50, and FNO Securities. Alright, and follow the ones which has the highest percentage change. I would suggest you people to follow the percentage changes which are more than 1.9%. Alright, so the ones which are starting with 2% and above. Alright, so this is a simple technique that I follow. Okay, let me also show you what actually happened in Bell last Friday. Alright, now let's say I selected BHEL in order to go long on Friday in my trade. Alright, if I go to the charts, BHEL, this is what happened, guys. Alright, this is what happened. This stock went from 133 till 142. Alright, it's almost like 11 rupees. Now a stock with a price of 130 rupees giving a move of 11 rupees is a big deal. It is a big deal. Alright, now If I switch to the 10 minutes chart, it's all positive. If I switch to the 15 minutes chart, it's all positive. Now, following the following the charts, what type of charts we should be following in intraday trading, I will cover it up in my future videos. As of now, I just wanted you people to see how it actually works. All right. Now, one more thing which I want you people to note, that let's say, for example, if you people are going on for let's say 2000 shares. All right. As I mentioned yesterday, if you go to the margin calculator, and if you type in Bell, the intraday margin here is 14x. All right. For example, you have 20,000 as the capital, and the cost of Bell when it started, let's say for example at 133. All right. Now you can buy 2,148 shares over there. All right. Now you enter the trade here. All right. You follow the NSE site. You see BHEL as the top gainer. The percentage change is more than 1.9%. So you decided that okay, fine, I want to enter this trade. All right. You entered. All right. Now let's say for example you entered at 135. All right. Now last Friday it went till 142. All right. That does not mean that every time it will give the same move. I would request you guys not to have much greed. All right. Now since this is in the top gainer, and since the market has just started, let's say for around 10 to 15 minutes, you entered the trade at around, let's say 9:30. All right. Please do not wait for the market to go above. I mean, for this type of stock, you cannot expect this stock to go above 1 to 2 rupees. All right. Moving up, giving a move of 1 to 2 rupees is a big deal for this stock. All right. So the main point which I want to make here is keep your greed in control. All right. So if you are going for 2,148 stocks, and if you enter at 135, I would request you people to come out at around 1 rupees, or I'm okay if also you come around at 50 paise or 60 paise. Now come on guys, with an investment of 20,000, you can buy 2,148 stocks, and if the stock moves in your expected direction for even 50 paise, you are earning 1,000 rupees, which is nothing but 5% of your total capital. All right. So please keep in mind, this is the thing which I wanted to share. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if any queries, please post it in the comment section, and I will surely try to answer them all. And I will upload my next video in which I will show you guys another method of picking up the stocks. All right. This time we picked up the stocks from NSE India. Next time I will show you another site from where we have to pick up the stocks. All right. Actually, there are many methods, but I want to share only the ones that are more effective and the ones that really works out for me. So this is the one which really works out for me, the NSE India site, and the second one I'll show you in my next video. All right. So that's it for now, guys. Would request you all to like, subscribe, and wait for my next video. See you all, and thank you so much. Have a good day.